Hey Roblox players, if you've been hit with error code 403, you know it can be frustrating. I've run into this myself, I fixed it, and today I will show you how to fix this in your case. So firstly guys, the very first fix, sometimes it's just a quick authentication glitch. So basically just go ahead and log out and then log back in. So into your settings, log out. Alright, and now just log back in. Okay, log in, and it should be fixed now, guys. Okay, and now, guys, the next step is going to be clearing Roblox app or browser cache. In the browser, press on Ctrl-Shift-Delete, and just delete your browsing data. Just press on Delete, and then go ahead and restart the page, log back in, and then try and see if it was fixed. Okay, also press on Windows R, type in this %local app data %/Roblox, go into here, and then just search for cache, and just delete all of this cache in here, okay? This will also make sure to fix this error. Also, I've seen 403 errors happen when using a VPN or proxy, so just disable them. Also, check Roblox account settings. Make sure you haven't been temporarily restricted. Head to your Roblox profile settings and confirm there are no security alerts, okay? Go to the settings, go to security, and make sure, then go to security and make sure there's nothing there in the red color, for example. After that, guys, also go ahead and try to reset your internet. So just go to Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings, and then Network Reset, and then press on Reset now. And lastly, go to the Roblox status. I'm just going to refresh the page and make sure that the systems are operational and this top banner is in green, because sometimes the messed up service can actually block you from certain things. Okay, and there you go, guys. Hopefully some of these, or maybe the very first one, fixes you. If it did help, guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more quick Roblox fixes, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip.